Hi everyone, welcome back to Rob and Gallagher's, I was going to say vinyl reviews, but different series. Today, as you can tell by the title, this is a very special video, because we're going to be unboxing Switch Lite, my new one. I went down to, it's Black Friday obviously, and I gave into the hype. Well, I was going to buy one anyway, and it was something I've wanted since it came out, because I tell you, I had the Switch, the Pokemon Let's Go edition Switch. That was really cool, and it looked nice sat there. But once I finished Pokemon Go, and I finished the other games I had, there was nothing, the problem I have with the Switch, which is more me than anything, it's not a fault with the Switch, it's a fault with me, is that there aren't a lot of good, full-on games. There's a lot of indie titles and a lot of, and maybe it's just games that I play, aren't on there. And I think that's the case. So I sold it because two of my two favourite Nintendo IPs. I love Nintendo IPs, but the two best are Pokemon and Animal Crossing. I love Animal Crossing. I had Wild World on the DS, which I played constantly. That's got to be in my top 10 most played games, which is a video idea actually. It has to be anyway. You might as well do what you're here for. So, the box itself, I'm mostly new to unboxings, simple box. I haven't opened it yet, I haven't even looked at it. But, ooh. It wouldn't be funny if it just fell out and cracked or something. Sorry, I should do this on camera. Ooh, look at that. I like that. That is really cool. That is... Should we do some ASMR? I need to do it on camera. Oh. That is amazing. That, I won't turn it on because I'm going to charge it first, but that feels great in my hands. Problem I had with the original Switch was its bulkiness. It was, it is a cross between a home console and a portable console, but it was big in the sense that you couldn't just put it in your pocket. Now, I wouldn't walk around with this in my pocket anyway, but I would definitely, I'm going away, as you know, to America in a few weeks. I've got a 10-hour flight, so I bought this, and I'm going to get Pokemon Sheild, because I've played every Pokemon game, every main series Pokemon game that has ever come out. I got Pokemon Gold on the Game Boy when I was very little, probably about 4 or 5, and my love has carried through all the way to today. Pokemon, absolutely love it. Chikorita is my favourite Pokemon because it's my first Pokemon, the first starter. It means a lot to me. I want to get a Pokemon Chikorita plush if I find one. But yeah, back to the console. Absolutely lovely. It's really light as well, which is great for when. So I mostly I'll play led down with it up like that probably, or sat here on it. So it's great that it's really light, and then it comes with the boring manuals, and no one needs that, and of course charging, which is a nice, a nice high quality charger, which is great, because my phone, the Samsung, it came with a really tacky charger. The Samsung's fast charging. It was really just like, what is this? This is really cheap. But yeah, it's really nice quality. To be fair. Oh, it's the same. Awesome. I've used Apple for years, so obviously I'm not used to the USB-C. But great. I cannot wait to sit down and play Pokemon Sheild. It's going to be amazing. I know the reviews aren't very good and that Game Freak apparently lied. but you know, it's Pokemon. I know I'm going to enjoy it. I always enjoy Pokemon. Apart from, I played Pokemon, is it Ranger? No. There are Pokemon games where you play as the Pokemon and it's like an RPG. I can't remember what it's called. What is it called? No, it's gone. I played them. I love them. Pokemon Ranger is a good game. But I've never touched Pokemon Go. I saw it for what it is at the start and I never touched it. You know, it's just a cash grab. And not that if you enjoy it, good on you, but I think it's a cash grab. And that's what Pokemon Let's Go were good games, but the Pokemon Safari was removed completely so that you could bring in the Pokemon from Pokemon Let's Go, and it just, like, oh. Now I know with Pokemon Shield, or Pokemon Sword and Shield, a lot of the Pokemon aren't in the games, but, you know, people are really angry at them cutting this out and there being no national decks. But this is Pokemon. There's going to be either a Sword and Shield 2 or some sort of amalgamation of, you know, something different that comes out. I'm hoping for Sinnoh remasters. Oh, if they bring out, you know, say Pokemon Platinum, and it's just the national decks, you can get Pokemon like Arceus and stuff on the Switch. I will pay millions of pounds for that. I need that. Game Freak, we want 4th Gen remasters. Please, please. So yeah, thanks for watching. There's not much, I mean, I don't really know much about the specs and all the technicals of it because I'm not interested. You know, great thing about Nintendo, which has always been a thing with Nintendo, you know, I can pick this up and I know it's going to work. I know it will do exactly what it says on the tin. The Nintendo seal of approval, that's what makes them so good and why they're still here today when companies like Sony aren't making consoles anymore and stuff like that. You know, I know the Wii U didn't do very well, but still, the Switch did amazing. I think the Switch is the second best selling of this generation, behind the PS4. But I'm rambling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care all.